Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist, and today I will show to you how you can retouch your portrait photography in Adobe Photoshop CC using only one tool. Yes guys, only one tool. Let's start. As you can see, I have opened my image. I took this image in my studio a few days ago, and before I will start working on my retouching, I would like to duplicate my layer just to show to you before and after later on. I will hide my background original layer and I will be using background copy layer. Now I will switch to my tool. I will be using only this tool. I'm switching to spot healing brush tool. The spot healing brush tool quickly removed imperfection in your photos. So if you would like to remove um, non-perfections in your photo, this is the tool you need to use, and this is one of my favorite tools in Adobe Photoshop CC. In the options bar, I highlighted content aware. I will be switching between type content aware and proximity match just because those two types I'm using all the time. Basically, I never used create texture. It just never fit my workflow. But if you will find out that this is what you like, feel free to use it as well. So guys, before I will start retouching, I would like to zoom in my image just like that. And as you can see, I have few non-perfections I need to remove. I switch back to my spot healing brush tool. I will make my brush size smaller just like that, and I will paint over some pixels I would like to remove just like that, guys. Very, very, very easy. uh, Content aware type compares pixel near your selection and seamlessly fill the selection, but proximity match uses pixels around your selection to patch your selection. So try to switch between two types and you will find out what works the best for you. I like work most with content aware, but guys, every image is different. As you can see, I'm just using same tool, changing nothing. I'm paint over my non-perfection pixels I would like to remove. How simple is it? And guys, we have one little trick I would like to point out. Content aware the spot healing brush tool with content aware type very sensitive to the direction you use to paint over your pixels. Example, if you would like to remove something in here, and its will result will depend from what direction you will start and finish your painting over your non-perfection pixels. Example, let me duplicate my layer just in case and I will show to you. I will recommend you also to apply small brush strokes. Do not try to remove everything in one all brush stroke. Example, click, drag and remove, release your hand, click, drag and remove your hand, just like that. As you can see, it's just perfect. And try to, if you don't like something, try to apply your brush stroke in different directions, maybe vertical, maybe horizontal. Sometimes I found out that I have the best result when I'm just clicking and just like massaging my pixel just like that. And as you can see, I removed non-perfection areas very fast and very quick and very easy. So guys, just look at this. Yeah. And guys, I know, I hope you noticed that we're working in the most difficult area in a portrait. We are retouching under eye area. This is the most dangerous, most difficult area to retouch. And I have no difficulties. I have no trouble to retouch this area using only one tool. the spot healing brush tool. Guys, just look at this. And uh, I also will recommend you, when you, example, satisfied with your area under her eye, I will recommend you to duplicate your layer, just in case if you will make some mistake, and a lot of mistake, you will easily delete your top layer, current layer you are working on, and you will be back to the stage where you when you are completely satisfied with your retouching. So now I will remove this hair. Just guys, just look, I'm changing position of my brush stroke. If I applied one brush stroke and I'm not satisfied with the result, I'm not stressing out, I'm just coming back and I'm changing position of my brush stroke, rotation, and direction of my brush stroke, and voila, everything is fixed, just like that. And here, and guys, now we entering another dangerous area. We are retouching eyebrows, and guys, voila, no stress at all. La la la, this is Photoshop. Perfect. Just like that. With the latest Photoshop update, I'm extremely happy with retouching tools in Photoshop. It's just no stress. I can retouch any image with no time. Guys, understand me correctly. If we have messed up image and we would like to retouch it, or we have specifications and we would like to um, basically, if we are retouching very difficult image, definitely we will need to have more time. We need to switch between different tools. So everything depends of how easy or difficult your image is. Now I will duplicate my layer, and I would like to smooth up those lines, just like that. Perfect. Guys, click, drag, and release your hand. Click, drag, release your hand. Click, drag, and release your hand. Do not try to overdo. Retouch everything in one brush stroke. Never worked, never will work. Just like that. Let me zoom out, and I will show to you before and after so far. So I will delete all my previous layers I'm happy with, so I'm deleting. Now I have my two layers, original and top retouch layer. So I will hide my top layer, and this is our original image, and this is our retouch image so far. So guys, that's awesome. Now I will duplicate my top layer, just like that, and I will retouch her address. I'm switching back to my the spot healing brush tool, and I will simply click, massage, release your hand. Click, massage, release your hand. And you can play with your brush size. Maybe you will like working with a bigger size of your brush or smaller. It depends of your preference, and guys, it depends of your image. You never know. Sometimes big size brush works perfectly fine. Sometimes smaller size is more preferable. So if you will ask me my preferences to working with the spot healing brush tool, I could not reply with give you an answer for 100%. Each image is different. So guys, just try, just keep your mind open. Don't if you retouch one image using small size of your brush, don't think that this size will work all the time. Absolutely not. So now I would like to remove that hair. Simply click and drag, click and drag, just like that. Also, you can change position of direction of your brush, like I'm doing right now. I will make my brush size bigger right now and I will try. Yeah, works much better. See, this is what I was talking about. You never know. Just like that. Let me zoom out just slightly. Yes. And I will continue removing those hair, flying hair, just like that. Nice, right? Let me show, quick show before and after. Before and after, just in a few seconds, guys. Also, I have few flying hair here, just like that, and here. I will make my brush size bigger, and just like that, paint, paint, paint over. Let me bring my image down. I also have here few flying hair. I don't need to have them in my image, just like that. I can clean up completely flying hair and make it's just like a glossy magazine cover, but with her hairstyle, it's not necessary because she has very beautiful and wavy hair. So we have beautiful perfection hairstyle, and I love it a lot. So this is what I have. Now I would like to correct area next to her forehead. So what I will do, guys, I will zoom in my image just like that. I will move it just slightly, just like that. I will duplicate my layer, switch back to my spot healing brush tool. I will make my brush size smaller and I will clean up just few areas here, just like that. We used a lot of hair product and we didn't have our hairstylist with us, so we did the best what we can without hairstylist. So I need to just to clean up very fast. And using only one tool in Adobe Photoshop CC, this is not a problem. So just look, guys, how amazing is it? I love, love, love. Just like that. And again, guys, don't stress out if you applied your brush stroke and you're not satisfied with it. Do not stress out. Just try another direction. Try to apply your brush stroke using another direction. I can guarantee you will fix it. And guys, again, as usual, if you have any questions, just ask me. I'm here to answer to all your questions. Just like that. And as you can see, guys, I'm retouching everything. It's not necessary, but because I love the spot healing brush tool, it's easy, it's fast, why not? If I will zoom in, zoom out, it's not will be visible. Nothing will be visible at all. But I know that I want to fix this, and I will do it. Click, release your hand. Click and release your hand. Just like that. Let me zoom out. Just like that. Also, I would like to clean up some not perfect areas in here. Just like that. Very fast, very quick. Maybe in here. Guys, only one tool. Only one. We are retouching entire portrait using only one tool. And guys, please understand me correctly. I'm not talking about exposure correction or anything like that. I'm talking about cleaning up your image. Cleaning up not perfections in your image. Just like that. Maybe I will clean up something else because it's easy. Eyebrows, just like that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And here, Ha! That's it. Let me zoom out. I will delete all layers. I will leave only top and our original layer, just like that. Let me zoom in, just like that. And guys, let's see. This is before and this is after. Just look. Please look very carefully. We clean up everything. Before, look at her hair, look at under eye and everything, and here, and look after. Guys, perfect retouching not supposed to be difficult. If you think about, oh, I will retouch image, that means you will retouch everything. So you can, the person you are retouching will be like reborn after your retouching. No. Remember, less retouching is the best. Try before your photo session. Adjust everything, dress, hair, makeup, everything, and in that case you will spend less time on retouching and your retouching will look more natural. So guys, this is what we did today. We used only one tool. We used the spot healing brush tool, and we retouch my image I took few days ago in my studio. So guys, thank you very much, and again, if you have any questions, I'm here to answer to any of them. Thank you, and I will see you later on. Bye.